We are a socially responsible bank. We've been calling ourselves a socially responsible bank for America since 2015. And ESG is very much at the fabric of who we are, what makes our business different. Financial reporting, ESG disclosure, and audit risk are three incredibly important parts or elements to proper disclosure and proper communication to investors. And having those working in an integrated fashion and synchronized with one another is extremely important. Now, on a single synchronized platform, we eliminate the risk of omissions in our disclosure, we eliminate the risks of improper information, and we have a much more secure control environment for being able to bring that information up in a reliable and repeatable way. Using Workiva has had tremendous benefit for us across multiple dimensions. I think the first and most important is we have an extremely secure control environment when it comes to data and the ability to move data into a reportable fashion for the public. We've been able to save numerous people hours in terms of having to compile information. The automation really eliminates the need for compilation and allows us to spend more time in review. And the last part, which is actually very exciting, is it creates a technology environment where our people can learn and can grow and can play and have fun and develop and really challenge themselves in their job to do things differently, and using technology as a way to develop that skill.